Alright, love it. This is how it looks on the inside, like I showed you guys before. Okay, you guys, we over here watching the show, but all I did was demi-permanent her hair color just to make it a little bit darker. I'm gonna let this sit on for 20 minutes and then rinse her out just so it could match her eye tip color on her hair. And then I'll come back and we'll show you guys right before I install the eye tips. I'll blow dry her out. This is the hair that I'm using, the Burmese curly. I have an 18 and a 20-inch bundle. I'm just gonna blow dry it out real quick and start the install. Alright, you guys, so here is the first row of eye tips done. I'm going to try to speed through the rest of this head so we can fit hopefully as much as possible. Like I said, I have two bundles, an 18-inch and a 20-inch. So let's get through the rest of this hair. right, so you guys saw how I just did that row. Got about 4 rows so far, I think. But a lot of people ask me how many eye-tips I use. I don't know. For real. I don't know. I do not count them. Y'all can pause the video and count them if you want. I have no clue how many I use per head, to be honest. And for sure it's over 100. Sometimes people add more than that. I don't know. I just know that I don't use the full 2 bundles. So we'll see how many bundles I'll show you guys how much I have left after the 2 bundles, okay? That's what I'll do. But this is how it is so far. I still got a lot more, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest, and then I will come back pretty much when I'm almost done. All right, you guys, so I finished her install. This is what it looked like on the inside. This is all her eye tips in. I put a lot of them in here like she requested. Bald headed. No, I'm just playing.
Call it what you want.
I put a lot in here like she requested. This is how it looks up. Obviously, I haven't done anything to it yet. She need to walk out of here looking just like this. All right, girl.
It is a lot.
That's how it looks. I'm gonna press her out, flat iron her, and we'll be back.
This is how much.
Oh wait, how many do I have left? This is how much of the 18-inch bundle I have left. So I used about 1.5. 1.5 or more?
1.5.
1.5. 1.5 bundles, a whole bundle of 20-inch and a half a bundle of 18. So this is what I have left. That's what they look like. All the little bitty bundles. So I'll probably use this again or later on her install. All right, now let's press it out. Big headed. High ponytail, a little bit longer than what she got the last time. I think her longest length was 18 last time, so we did 20 this time. She'll probably have 30 next week. So this is how it looks.
I mean,
she got her tri-tips in.
I'm starving.
So that's it, you guys. So if you guys have any questions, leave them below. Of course, I sell this hair on my website, qbwoodcollections.com. She's wearing the Burmese curly, and I just straightened it out. And she got 2 bundles of eye tips, 18-inch and a 20-inch. Alright, love it. This is how it looks on the inside, like I showed you guys before. And she ready. Alright. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Next on Braidless. You stupid.